Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Strating Inc. recently entered into a 5-year cloud computing arrangement. During the application development phase, which is phase 2, we incurred the following costs: $300,000 for third-party software coding, $75,000 for employee training, $50,000 for manual data conversion, and $120,000 for software licensing fee. What amount should the company capitalize as intangible asset? So we have 4 expenditure. Starting with the third-party software coding, you're paying someone to code to build the system for you. Would that be capitalized? I would say yes. $300,000. $75,000 for employee training. Under phase 2, any employee training is expensed. $50,000 for manual data conversion. Also, manual data conversion is part of operating the system. It's expensed. And $100,000 for licensing fee. Licensing fees, everything else is equal, is an asset. All these are intangible asset. And the answer will be $420,000. Now, whether you are now a CPA candidate, CMA, I would recommend you go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional multiple choice questions, especially using the Farhat AI, where it will explain the topic for you, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your education, invest in your professional career. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.